Hello everyone, are you looking for a quick and easy eye makeup without using a bunch of product? Today I am going to show you how I create this elegant look with help of lipstick. Yes, you heard that right. I created this look with help of lipstick and just simple steps. It's soft and smooth and perfect for everywhere, whether you are beginner or you want to just create a creative eye look. So let's get started the video. I have already applied my face base. Now I'm moving on to the eye base. First I'm going to apply a liquid concealer here, which is from Forever 52. If you have an eye primer, so you can use it, but personally I prefer for this look use a concealer, liquid concealer. Now I'm blending the concealer with the help of beauty blender. Most people start by filling in their eyebrows first, but since I haven't done my eyebrow threading yet, so I applied base first and then moving to filling my eyebrow. Now I'm blending all the extra concealer, and now I'm setting my base with a loose powder. Also my under eyes. Now I took this kind of angular brush to fill my eyebrow here. You can see how thin eyebrow here, but I'm trying to give it a little bit real eyebrow. So I'm not using a darken shade here. And spool it out with a spoolie brush. Now I took this kind of flat brush and also a lipstick. You can use here branded lipstick or non-brand. I took this kind of brownish lipstick and applied on my eyelid. Do not spread your lipstick too much inner V or outer V, because it will tough when you blend it. Once you apply it, so blend it with a beauty blender as soon as possible, otherwise it will settle down. This process is little bit hard, but once you start to blending it, so you will get the result. You can see it's almost blended. We don't want to so much blend it. After some blending, we will add a little bit eyeshadows. I think it has blend almost. Now I took this kind of brownish shade to set it. My lid area, and I blended with a round motion. Now I took this peaches shade to as a transition shade, so I start to applying it outer to inner V in a round motion. Now I'm taking this kind of fluffy brush to merge all the harsh line. Our eye makeup already done. Now I'm not using here any gel liner or liquid liner. I took this kind of flat or angular brush and a dark shade with this palette and trying to give a smudge liner look, and also trying to create a wing liner. And smudge with a fluffy brush, because I don't want any harsh line here. Now took a q-tip and micellar water and remove the extra eyeshadow, and it will give you the best wing. And I also love to clean my work, so I using a concealer in this brush and blend it out with the beauty blender. Now I'm using a white kajal because I have a hooded eyes, or I want to show my eyes bigger here. And also I'm taking this angular brush. I'm not using here any kajal. Now I'm highlighting my brow bone and also my inner V. If you want so much shimmery, so you can use some glitter or something else on your eyelid, but I want my look matte. And curl my lashes. Do not curl your lashes after applying mascara, otherwise you will get hurt. I'm using here Colossal mascara here, and I'm not wearing any fake lashes or lenses here because I want my look so matte and very natural. So this is my, you can see in this look you don't want to wear any fake lashes. This is the final look. And I also applying bindi on my eye makeup, which give me Indian look. So if you like the video, give a thumbs up this video and share with your friends who want to learn eye makeup or who love to create eye makeup. Hopefully I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.